Do you like anything pumpkin spice? Then you're gonna love this cocktail. It's a pumpkin spice White Russian. So we're gonna start off with a glass with some ice already in it, and we're going to measure out 2 ounces of vodka. I really love pumpkin spice everything, whether it's drinks, whether it's food. So this is really always delicious and nice to have. We're gonna use 1 ounce of Kahlúa. Just pour that in. And then we're gonna have pumpkin spice creamer. So use 1.5 ounces of the pumpkin spice. And there you have it, a pumpkin spice White Russian. This pumpkin spice White Russian is literally the adult version of a pumpkin spice latte. Absolutely delicious and perfect for those cool fall days. Now, if you're on YouTube, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that little bell. And if you want more recipes like this, go to my website, cocktailswithcody.com. Until next time, I'm Cody. See you soon.